My first time in Paraty. So let's explore it together, right now. Day one of Paraty, and we are going on our first boat tour. We're going to be stopping at around like 4 islands. Whole infrastructure here on the boat to suit our needs, and this might be the sunniest day out of all the days here in Paraty. Let's see what happens on this boat tour. Paraty is surrounded by the continent, so it's pretty much like a swimming pool. There are only big waves when we pass a big ship. You know how sick I get on boats, so today's gonna be an easy day. We have already ordered some finger food, and we're on our way to our first stop. So we have ordered some fried squid rings here for 66 reais. First stop, the old lady's bag, Saco da Velha. A little pre-lunch snack with a magic cookie to make the water a little bluer. Okay, we've arrived at our first stop, Saco da Velha. I thought it was an island, but it's actually on the continent, and I'm loving it already so far because we jumped off the boat and the water is so nice. We're gonna be here at Saco da Velha for about 40 minutes. Also, the water is absolutely transparent, so you can see your own feet if you walk here on the sand inside the ocean. That's our mighty boat over there, Neptune 4.
Boa praia, gostei.
Nunca tinha vindo
nessa. Tem uma casinha para alugar, pode ser um esquema, fazer uma viagem com uma galera.
Essa é my house.
Nice.
Welcome paradise, my friends.
Boa, obrigado.
Esse aí é o Billy Joe Jackson.
Como é que é o nome?
Billy Joe Jackson.
Billy Joe Jackson.
É. Esse aí é o Jonivaldo Júnior de Oliveira, pescador de ilusões.
Como é que é o nome dele?
Jonivaldo Júnior de Oliveira.
Bem completo o nome.
É, nome e sobrenome.
Tranquilo. Cheers, China. Not a bad day. Look at that. This is the kind of Corona we want in the world. Next stop here is Ilha do Algodão, or Cotton Island, if you will. It's not a beach, there's no sand. A quick little stop here, maybe 20-30 minutes. Just gonna go for a swim.
Bora?
Vamos mergulhar?
Vamos!
Just had another little swimming stop here at Cotton Island, and it really was amazing because you can literally swim with no waves anywhere you go. And here on Cotton Island, it was no different, so I'm excited to see where this goes next. Já temos a Lula.
Pois é, achei um pouco pequena, né?
É, não valeu.
Pelo preço.
This is an update for our boat trip in Paraty. We have spotted some dolphins that we passed to our right side. We stopped for lunch at a place called the Blue Lagoon, so not too bad as you can see. But so far this trip has been pretty much a steal. It was 90 reais each of us. Of course the things on the boat are a little more expensive, but I guess this is what you're paying for, to have lunch at a place called the Blue Lagoon. So down below I'm going to put the name of the agency that we did this trip through because it really is worth it, and they're very professional, and we've loved the service so far. Not sponsored, by the way. So we just went from having squid on the boat to Squid Island, that's right, Praia do Lula, Squid Island, and I must say I think this is my favorite stop of the day. The beach is a little bigger and there's plenty of space for everyone to enjoy the sunshine, which was not expected today. So I think we did a good job coming on this trip today because it does rain a lot around here in Paraty, and the next days might be a little rainy. It really is beautiful, and it was the perfect stop after Rio. I've known you for we did the math, about 24 years. Old high school friend, 24 years of friendship. I don't know how he put up with me that long, but here we are on Paraty. And that's our boat calling us back. Is that our boat, Sheena? Yeah, so time to swim back to the boat and enjoy our Corona. And behind me there's actually a house for rent here. You could probably buy or rent this house, and it's literally just this house on Squid Beach. Did I say Squid Island before? This is Squid Beach. I don't think it's an island. So if you want to rent this house out with me, just leave a like and I'll take care of the rest. Essa é a Marli que ela tá me ajudando aqui hoje. Quando eu venho para as praias, eu deixo o celular com você, não é, Marli?
Verdade. Guarda o celular dele direitinho.
É minha mãe aqui, né, nessa viagem de hoje.
Aí.
Muito obrigado, Marli. So we're making our way back now from the Paraty boat trip and the beach hopping. It has been pretty freaking incredible, as you can see. And I really want to show you the hostel that we're staying at. It's called Casa Viva, like a lively house or something like that. Okay, we've made it back here to the pier of Paraty, and we're heading to Casa Viva hostel to have a little dip in the pool. So far, life here in Paraty is good. Just made this purchase here. 13 reais for a little straw hat. Goodbye, Sheena.
Goodbye.
No, was this a goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yeah, I thought so too. You got flamingos on one side, Quicksilver up top. Looks like while we were away, the tide came up a bit. Yeah, so you can see the water slowly making its way into town. Not sure how far or how long this will go, but it seems to be turning some corners already. Oh, look at the whole street here. And it's starting to go that way. So we still had time to come back to the hostel and enjoy the pool after the boat ride. And now it has started to drizzle a bit. I am protected by my new purchase. This grilled cheese from the hostel is the best one I've ever had. And we certainly needed the fuel for our grand kayak adventure, where we saw plenty of Brazilian wildlife. What a fine looking bird. Later that day, we also tasted and bought some exclusive cachaça in the historical city center. So this one is made from the sugar cane caramelly thing. You can see the color here. You can see all of that by clicking here and following us to day 2 of Paraty. See you there.